How does recycling reduce waste? When you put your recycling box on the curbside with a few plastic bottles and some aluminum cans, you probably imagine that these items will be reused, and therefore that there will be a few less pieces of trash taken to the landfill or incinerator. However, that's only part of the story of recycling. Waste is reduced in a number of ways as a result of recycling. Reduction of pollution and greenhouse gases. First off, pollution is reduced since items are not sent to landfills and incinerators. When trash is buried in landfills, water contamination can occur. This is avoided when items are recycled instead. Any air pollution from incinerated items is also eliminated when recycling. Furthermore, activities such as mining and other collection of raw materials produce air and water pollution. Since recycling eliminates the need to obtain new materials, this pollution is also reduced. Greenhouse gases emissions are also lowered when we recycle. The energy spent to process and manufacture recycled items is often less than if new resources were used to make non-recycled goods, according to Recycle Now. Less energy used means less greenhouse gas emissions. Incinerators are also big producers of greenhouse gases. Any waste that ends up in incinerators that could have been recycled or reused produces additional and unnecessary greenhouse gases. Most people don't know that landfills also produce methane, one of the strongest greenhouse gases. By reducing the number of items sent to landfills, less landfills are needed, meaning that less methane will be released into the atmosphere. Recycling facts: 96% of food that could be composted ends up in incinerators and landfills. Every ton of paper recycled saves the energy equivalent of 166 gallons of gasoline. Up to 80% of a car is recyclable. On average, 16% of the price you pay for a product goes towards packaging, which is ultimately trash. It only takes 6 weeks for an aluminum can to go from the recycle bin to a new can. Recycling 1 ton of aluminum cans conserves the equivalent